Let me ask you a simple question. Do you really need money to start a business? Most people think the answer is yes, but the truth is, money is not always the starting point. The starting point is you, your idea, your creativity, your determination. Today, I'm going to share with you how you can start a business with little to no funds using the resources already around you. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll realize that lack of money is not your biggest problem. It's a lack of action. So stay with me. Step 1. Start with what you know. You don't need millions to begin. You need skills, knowledge, or experience. Think about it. What are you good at? Maybe you know how to cook. Maybe you can fix small gadgets. Maybe you're good at social media or editing videos. Those skills are businesses waiting to be born. A chef doesn't start with a restaurant. They start with one meal sold to one person. You don't need capital to share knowledge or offer services. Start small. Start with you. Step 2. Use free platforms. Do you know the world has given you free marketing tools? Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram. These are not just for entertainment. They are your free billboards. Instead of saying, "I don't have money for advertising," ask yourself, have I really used my phone as a money machine? Post your skills, show your work, talk to people about what you can do. The internet allows you to start almost anything for free. Teaching, reselling, consulting, even motivating like I'm doing right now. Step 3. Start with service, not product. Here's a secret. Products cost money to produce, but services mostly cost time. If you have no money, lean into services. Can you babysit, clean, help people with assignments? Offer to manage social media for small businesses? Once you deliver value and people trust you, money will follow. Then you can reinvest into selling physical products later. Service first, product later. That's how you build without funds. Step 4. Partner, don't purchase. You don't always need to buy things to start. You can partner. If you want to sell clothes but don't have money for stock, find a seller, take pictures of their items, post online, and get commission for every sale. That's called drop shipping locally. If you want to run a food business, team up with someone who cooks while you handle delivery and marketing. Partnerships reduce cost and increase opportunity. Step 5. Solve problems around you. Money flows where problems are solved. Look around your community. Is there water scarcity, transportation issues? Are people always asking for something they can't find easily? That's your business idea. You don't need a big investment to solve a small daily problem. You just need creativity. I'll give you a challenge. Walk around your neighborhood with a notebook and write down 5 things people complain about. Congratulations. You just discovered 5 business ideas that don't require huge money. Step 6. Start small, grow big. Too many people fail because they wait for big capital. Stop waiting. Sell to one person, then 2, then 10. Coca-Cola started by selling only 9 bottles a day. Amazon started by selling books from a garage. You don't need to start big. You need to start now. Small daily steps create big future empires. Let me leave you with this. If you say you can't start a business because you don't have money, you're lying to yourself. The richest people today didn't start with money. They started with ideas, action, and persistence. Your phone is enough. Your skill is enough. Your determination is enough. So don't let lack of funds be your excuse. Let it be your fuel. Start small, serve people, use free tools, and grow from there. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't just keep it to yourself. Click like, drop a comment, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel. Every week, I share practical and motivational content to help you build wealth step by step. Remember, your financial freedom journey starts here, so join the family and subscribe now. And before you go, I want to hear from you. What business idea are you going to start with little or no money? Share it in the comments below. Let's inspire each other. Hey, if you're new here and haven't subscribed yet, now's the perfect time. Join the family. You'll love what's coming next.